Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the dynamic island environment so the game behaves predictably. First, make sure your iPhone and the game build actually support Dynamic Island. Once confirmed, enable notifications, background activity, and motion access so the island can show live game cues. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi and keep battery above 20% to avoid CPU downclocking. Then open the app and tap the Only Way mode. You're now ready to engage the island hooks and see immediate visual prompts. Once done, focus on how the game maps actions to the dynamic island. You'll watch small icons and color shifts. Tap fast when a green blink appears, long press to charge interactions, and swipe when an arrow animation spans the island. Make sure to pair haptic feedback with audio cues so your timing stays consistent. This reduces missed inputs. If multiple events stack, prioritize the largest icon first. This strategy keeps your combo chain intact and advances you through the mid-game mechanics. To finish, execute the final dynamic island sequence exactly as prompted. You'll see a distinct success animation. Confirm it by tapping the on-screen confirmation within the game. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Close background apps, reboot the phone, and reopen the game to clear transient lag. Should issues persist, make sure permissions are intact and reinstall the app to reset island bindings. One key tip: restart the device before deeper fixes. It often restores island responsiveness without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.